Dear students of UP Board Class 10th English Reader, Chapter 1, The Enchanted Pool, written by C. Rajgopalachari. In this lecture 1, we will come to know about this chapter. And before we begin this chapter, I tell you that we will start this chapter in Hindi and English both. And we will go through the text. And before we go through this chapter, let's understand the summary of this lesson, what is all about. This lesson has been extracted from the great epic of the Mahabharata. Yudhishthira was the eldest of Pandavas, who with their wife Draupadi were living in exile. One day, they were in search of water because they were extremely thirsty. There was no water. Then Yudhishthira sent his brothers to search water, and brothers went there, but they found no water, and they took too long. They didn't return. Then Yudhishthira became very anxious, and then he went in search of his brothers. But when he saw all his brothers lying dead, let's see what happens to them. This chapter in text begin with paragraph number 1. Yudhishthira waited for his brothers in anxiety and thirst. Yudhishthira, when the brothers of Yudhishthira did not return, Yudhishthira got anxious. Anxiety means he was worried and he was thirsty too. Because there was no water, he sent his brother in search of water, and because of thirst and because of not returning of his brothers, Yudhishthira was very anxious and worried. He began to think, can they have been subjected to a curse, or are they still wandering about in the forest in search of water? He began to think whether they are subjected to a curse. Subjected to a curse means whether any problem befell on them, whether they got stuck in some problem, or still they didn't find water anywhere. They were still finding water and wandering here and there in search of water. So many questions were coming to his mind. Can they have fainted or died of thirst? He was also thinking that his brothers were probably have died or they have fainted. When his brothers didn't return, he was unable to bear these thoughts. Yudhishthira got impatient and driven by an overpowering thirst. Overpowering thirst means extreme thirst, being too much thirsty. It means when Yudhishthira felt very thirsty, he gave up means he left waiting and started out to look for his brothers. Started out means he began to search his brothers and the pool, hoping that he might find them. It means he began to search the pool where his brothers might be there. Students, if I say in Hindi here in this paragraph, we say Yudhishthira waited for his brothers in anxiety and thirst. युधिष्ठिर ने इंतज़ार किया अपने भाइयों का बहुत अधिक चिंता और प्यास में. Can they have been subjected to a curse or are they still wandering? उन्होंने सोचा कि क्या वह शिकार हो गए हैं किसी कर्स मीन्स अभिशाप का, या वे अभी भी वॉन्डरिंग मीन्स भटक रहे हैं इधर उधर जंगल में पानी की खोज में. उनके मन में विचार आया कि क्या वे अभी तक पानी की खोज में जंगल में इधर उधर भटक रहे हैं या किसी अभिशाप का शिकार हो गए हैं. कैन दे हैव फेंटेड और डाइड ऑफ थर्स्ट? क्या वह बेहोश हो गए हैं या मर चुके हैं प्यास से. अनेबल टू बियर दीज थॉट्स, इन सारे विचारों से परेशान होकर जब ये सारे विचार असहनीय हो गए. एंड ड्रिवन बाय एन ओवरपावरिंग थर्स्ट. ड्रिवन बाय एन ओवरपावरिंग मीन्स बहुत अधिक, थर्स्ट मीन्स प्यास. ड्रिवन बाय मीन्स से परेशान होकर, ही गेव अप वेटिंग, उन्होंने इंतज़ार करना छोड़ दिया. प्यास और बेचैनी से परेशान होकर उन्होंने इंतज़ार करना छोड़ दिया. एंड स्टार्टेड आउट टू लुक फॉर हिज ब्रदर्स. स्टार्टेड आउट और निकल पड़े, टू लुक फॉर तलाश करने के लिए, हिज ब्रदर्स अपने भाइयों को, एंड द पूल और उस पूल को, होपिंग दैट ही माइट फाइंड देम, इस उम्मीद में कि वह उन्हें ढूंढ लेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं कि युधिष्ठिरा क्यों चिंतित थे? Why was Yudhishthira anxious? Then your answer will be Yudhishthira was anxious because his brothers didn't return. And why did he went in search of the pool and his brothers? The same answer will there be, because his brothers didn't return and he was very impatient for his brothers. He was thinking so many things about them, so he stepped up to search his brothers. You continue and keep watching RSC classes of English language, and rest part of the story you will see in lecture second. Thanks.